It's super tasty. Don't forget, give it a try. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna make meatball with vegetables. At the end, I hope you enjoy it. Let's start it. First, peel the onion and grate it using a fine grater. Oh no, this onion is really strong. It's making my eyes water. Now add the ground beef to the grated onion and mix it well. Then add the salt and black pepper. Finally, add the chickpea flour to help bind the meat mixture together. Once everything is mixed well, take a small portion, about the size of a small meatball. And roll it in your hands until it becomes nice and round. Now continue making meatballs with the rest of the meat mixture. Now drop the broccoli into hot water to clean it well and remove any tiny insects. Cut the eggplant in half lengthwise, then slice it into thin strips. Now remove the seeds from the bell peppers and slice them into thin strips. Now, let's peel the carrots using a peeler. Nice and easy. Then we are going to chop them into small, thin little pieces. Cute and crunchy. Alright, now it's the onion's turn. Let's slice it nice and thin, just like the others. Now all the veggies are chopped and ready to be steamed. They look so colorful and fresh. Now we add some oil to the pan for the meatballs. And a little oil to the pan for the vegetables, then saute them. We wait until the meatballs are nicely fried and the veggies are steamed through in the pan, getting a light saute with some oil. Now the broccoli is cleaned and chopped into small pieces. Then we add it to the vegetables. We add broccoli a bit later since it's softer and cooks quicker than the rest. Then we add the tomato paste and saute it. Now we add a little water, about 1 cup of water. Now let's add some salt and pepper. First, we dissolve 1 teaspoon of cornstarch in milk. Then add the milk mixture to our vegetables. Next, we put the lovely meatballs into the veggie with the milk and water mixture and let everything simmer for a while until done. Honestly, I threw in a little lemon peel since I like it a bit thinner. It turns out really yummy. Make sure you try it. Finally, to get a beautiful color, I added some saffron water. You can try it if you want or just leave it out. Time to try it. I'm sure it tastes amazing.